How to change a reason on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. After that, go to your more icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to profile. Go to settings, scroll down and then go to settings. After that, go to account info. Wait for the system to load, and after it is loaded, now what you will have to do is scroll down and then go to account location, and from here you will be able to change your reason. So usually these reasons automatically change when you change or when your device move. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.